A keyless car can be stolen in under a minute, with no broken glass and no alarm. Here's exactly how it happens and how to stop it. It's called a relay attack. Two people, two cheap radio repeaters. One stands near your house and catches the signal your key fob is always broadcasting, even from a hook by your front door. The other stands next to your car and relays that signal. The car reads it as your real key. It unlocks, the start button works, and they drive off. Some thieves skip the fob entirely. They get into the cabin, plug a tool into the diagnostic port, and program a brand new key in seconds. Through all of this, your factory alarm stays silent. The car's computer reads the theft as normal owner actions. This is where an aftermarket immobilizer changes the math. The M9000 wires into your vehicle's own electronics and won't let the car move until a pin sequence only you know is entered. A relayed signal can't fake it. A cloned key can't answer it. It arms itself automatically every time the car shuts off. No app needed to start, no GPS, no monthly subscription. Prevention, not recovery. If your car uses a key fob, it's worth protecting. Find a certified Mastergard installer near you at mastergard.com.